The number one best chess site for beginner chess players is Lichess. Lichess is a free and open source internet chess server run by a non-profit organization. Lichess was founded in 2010 by a French programmer, Thibaut Duplessis. And since 2015 you can use the official Lichess mobile app on both iOS and Android. Lichess is ranked second only to chess.com as one of the most popular chess servers in the world. The problem with chess.com though is that some features are available for free but others for accounts with subscriptions. For example, if you don't have a subscription to chess.com, there's a restriction in the number of puzzles you can play. Lichess is ad-free and all the features are available for free as the site is funded by the donations of Patreons. On Lichess, anyone can play chess anonymously. Let me show you how. You type in Lichess, and for me it just pops up immediately, so I go to Lichess. And if you've never been on Lichess before, the home screen might look a little bit confusing. Today I only want to show you two features, which is how to use the quick pairing and how to play puzzles, which you can find over here. Over here you can just find all the time controls you can play with. For your first game, I would recommend to go for 10+5. This means that every player gets 10 minutes right from the start, but you get 5 seconds increment. This means that for every move you play, you get 5 seconds extra time. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, so we are white, and I'll play the move e4. The problem is that right now I'm anonymous and my opponent is anonymous as well, and so I don't know the strength of my opponent. He could be a very strong player or he could be a very weak player. Let's now have a look at the second feature. I go to puzzles and I click on puzzles. They'll just give me a random puzzle. So for me this one could be very easy or very difficult. How do we solve this problem? We want to be able to play against an opponent of our own strength, and we want to be able to play puzzles on our own level. We can do that by signing in, and the sign in button is right here. So I'll just click on that and I'll just sign in with my own account. Now if I want to play a game, let's say I want to play a 10+5 rapid game, just like that. Let's see what happens. You can see that in this case my rating is 2057 and my opponent is around the same rating, which is ideal for training. Let's go back to the home screen. Let's now have a look at puzzles. Puzzles. You can see that I get a puzzle for my own rating. Today I showed you how Lichess can be the perfect site for beginners. Because it's completely free, you can play all of your games on Lichess and you can solve as many puzzles as you want. But to optimize your training, I would highly recommend to make an account and sign in. I hope you learned something from this video and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.